Hi guys, welcome to the Simplify LLC channel. In this video, we will talk about how to start an LLC in Illinois. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified when a new video appears. Let's dive right in. Whether you're just planning your business or currently running a business, you may be wondering about starting an LLC in Illinois. LLCs offer protection of your personal assets. If your sole proprietorship or partnership is sued, your personal assets are at risk. Now, if you have an LLC, the business is only liable for the assets of the LLC. It also is a better business structure for tax reporting and scaling your business in the future. The first step in starting your LLC in Illinois is choosing the name for your LLC. Remember that when choosing the name for your Illinois LLC, you must include either the words limited liability company or the abbreviations LLC or L.L.C. And do not use the words corporation, incorporated, or limited partnership. In addition, the abbreviations Corp, Inc., Ltd, Co, or LP cannot be used in the name of your LLC. Once you come up with that perfect name, head over to the Illinois Secretary of State's Department of Business and make sure that it's available. If it isn't, mix it up a little and try a different version. If you need to use a DBA or doing business as later, you can link your LLC with your business name. If you are operating nationally, ensure your business name doesn't interfere with registered brand names and trademarks. You can check this online at the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office website or through an attorney. The next step is choosing a registered agent. You don't have to hire a registered agent service. You can serve as your own registered agent. As a registered agent for your business, you receive all services of processed documents for lawsuits, summons, and subpoenas. To do so, you have to have a physical street address and be available during business hours on all working days throughout the year. You can hire a registered agent in Illinois for $100 to $150 to take care of this for your business. The third step is to file the Illinois LLC Articles of Organization. This business registration document should be submitted to a county clerk of the Illinois Department of Business Services as part of the LLC application. This can be filed online, by mail, or in person. When filing online, you must first choose between a standard LLC or an LLC with the ability to establish a series. If you decide to do the latter, consult an attorney. The filing takes about 10 days if you're filing online or 24 hours when filing in person. Filing your articles of organization costs $150 and a series LLC costs $400 and $100 to either when choosing the expedited service. When you file online, you must pay with a credit card. If mailing in your articles of organization, send a certified check, cashier's check, or money order. Now, we're almost there. Step 4 is registering with the Illinois Department of Revenue, IDOR, and the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS. File Form Reg 1 with the Illinois Department of Revenue. You can do so by mail, online, or in person. Applying online is pretty simple. You can complete the application and get your EIN right then in about 15 minutes. Make sure you download a PDF copy of your Form SS4 when you do this. Next up is preparing your LLC Operating Agreement. Now, this agreement outlines how your business will manage daily operations. This is not required as part of the formation of your LLC, but it's good to have it. Should a customer or business partner raise a dispute with you, an attorney will ask for this document. If you choose to prepare an operating agreement for your LLC, include all members of the LLC and their percentage of interest in the business. Also, detail the allocation of all profits and losses, capital contributions, voting powers, and the procedures for admitting new or withdrawing current members. Step 6 is opening your Illinois business bank account. A business bank account helps you keep your personal and business finances separate. Look for a bank that will open your business checking account for free or at a discount. To open your business bank account, you will need your EIN, articles of organization, ownership agreement if you have one, and a business license or permit. Now, how are business taxes handled for LLCs in Illinois? An LLC is a business entity type, but you can file your taxes as a disregarded entity, partnership, C corporation, or an S corporation. A disregarded entity is a single member LLC. You'll report income, expenses, and other items on a Schedule C on your personal tax return. Partnerships file Form 1065 to the IRS to report their business activity. In addition, each partner needs to file a personal K-1 form listing their share of income, expenses, and other items. For your personal return, you'll use the data you used in K1. Partnerships also file a Form IL-1065, the Illinois Partnership Replacement Tax Return, with the state. C corporations use Form 1120 to report their business activity. In Illinois, a C Corp isn't considered a pass-through business entity, so you don't have to file the K1 form. Your corporation will pay taxes on net income at the corporate tax rate. Each owner will then file personal tax returns for all income earned from the corporation. You'll also have to file the IL-1120, the corporation income and replacement tax return, with the state of Illinois. S corporations file Form 1120S for reporting business activity. As the business owner, you'll get a K1 from the S corporation to report your share of income, expenses, and other items. Those items on the K1 will also need to be shown on your personal income tax form, or 1040. With the state, your entity will file Form 1120ST. Your LLC may also have to remit sales and use tax. The tax rate is 6.25% on general merchandise and 1% on qualifying foods, drugs, and medical appliances. Each year, there are annual LLC fees. Now, you must file your annual report before the first day of the anniversary of your LLC. Your standard filing will cost $75. If you need expedited filing, it's $125. And if you report 60 days past the due date, you will have a $100 late fee. Certain businesses in Illinois will have a specific business license or permit. If your company sells liquor, you must have a liquor license that costs $750. To find out if your business requires a business license or permit, check the State of Illinois website. Also, you will need to check county and municipal license and permit requirements. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about what an LLC is, its benefits and disadvantages, you'll find the link to those videos in the description box below. There are in-depth guides on LLC formation, costs, and taxation on our website, SimplifyLLC.com. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to write in the comments if you have any further questions, and we will see you next time.